Hey everyone, this is Ram. So this place is not a hotel, it's a guest house owned and run by the government. The main reason for booking this place was to bring the cost down for my trip. The guest house is less than 5 minutes from the jetty. You can actually walk to the guest house if you don't have much luggage with you. Booking can be made 90 days before check-in day. I made my booking 2 months before my stay. Make sure to take a picture of the map that's available at their reception. The map will come in handy if you're driving here for the first time. The ambience of the guest house was calm and peaceful. When I reached my room, I found it clean. The walls, however, could have been maintained well. They also offered food at an additional cost. Since I planned on having my food from another place, I skipped having it here. There was this nice space at the back of the room where you can relax when the climate is enjoyable. All I wanted was a basic room just for a night because I planned to be in the room only to get some sleep. This guest house was a good spot for it, especially for the price. This guest house was way better than what I imagined. So I would recommend this place to anyone who's looking for an inexpensive room in Neil Island. That wraps it for this video. If you found this video useful, give it a like and do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.